Hello world, this is Samir and I welcome you all on this episode of AI Society, and in this particular episode we are going to make a very awesome project which is a barcode scanner. Okay, and you can use this project for your own purpose, also for your own office or for your own class or anything that you want. You can use this particular project very efficiently. So let's start with the video right away and let's go for it. So before starting, let me tell you, I post a lot of content on computer vision, machine learning, artificial intelligence and programming. So if you are interested in any of that, just follow me on Instagram. I'm going to post a lot of content on machine learning and AI. And also, if you are interested in making projects, and also you need to know the news and the advancement of AI that is going on in the world, you can follow me on Instagram and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to post a lot of content related to that also. So let's start with the project without further ado. So basically in this project we are going to make a barcode scanner, as I told you, and we are going to use a very good library which is called PyZbar, and also there is a library called OpenCV and also NumPy for the supporting. OpenCV will be responsible for the communicating with the camera. PyZbar will be responsible for decoding the message of barcode. Okay, and what we can do, we can use NumPy for the mathematical operation that we are going to do. So let's start with it. So basically, first of all, let me delete this line for now. You don't need this for now. So basically in this project you need to capture the video from the webcam. So if you want to use your webcam, just press 0, just put 0 here, and your webcam will be get accessed. And after that, this set method is being used. Let me tell you why we are using the set method here. So basically this set method is responsible for setting the property in the video capture. So we want to set a property in the video capture, and that property will accept two parameters, which is property ID and value. Okay, so basically this 3 is the property ID and 640 is the property value, and you can just put these value in your set method and just call regarding the cap variable. Okay, so we are setting the values two times, which is at the 3 ID and 4 ID, which is 640 and 480. After that we are basically running a loop which is responsible, like, until the video is running, until the camera is getting access. What we can do, we are reading the method from here, we are reading the image, we are reading the image basically from the video capture, and then we are running a loop on the decode. Basically we are running a loop, whatever the image that is being shown, that image going to be decoded by the decode method. So this decode method is basically the decode method that is being imported by the PyZbar library. Okay, so for every barcode in the decode method, what it is doing, it is going to store all the data in the my data variable. How it is going to do that? This barcode, which refers to this barcode initialization variable. So this barcode dot data dot decode. So this dot decode is responsible for decoding all the data in the text format. So let me tell you how. So if there is an explanation, I think there is no explanation here. So what you can do, you can just type it here UTF-8. You don't need to know much about UTF-8. If you want to know, what you can do, you can just go to the Wikipedia and you can read about UTF-8. It is a very common thing you must have understood in your computer programming language. And also if you want to know more about the PyZbar library, definitely go to their definitely go to the library page, which will tell you that it is made in pure Python. It works with PIL and pillow images and decodes location of the barcodes, as we are doing in this particular video. In this particular project, it is decoding the location of the barcodes. No dependencies other than the ZBar library itself. That is the awesome thing about it. Okay, there is no dependencies other than ZBar library, and tested on Python 2.7 and 3.4. I'm working on 3.8 and it is working quite fine, so you don't need to worry about that. And after that, it is printing the data on the terminal for the testing purpose. And then this particular line, which is responsible for putting the text on the barcode. The video that will be showing while running the code, that video will get a text on this, in this font, and it will accept this image, which refers to the image that is being captured. And then it is what it is printing, it is printing the my data, which is being decoded by the decode variable, and these are the points that is being calculated here. You can use as rectangle or you can use as polygon. So basically for polygon there are some technicalities that is going on. You can read about this, but you just need to use this here. Okay, and after that we are basically using this color and all these technicalities to putting the text on your video frame. So after that, just print the result, just show the result using your I am show method, and just wait for the key 1 to get stopped. So let's run the code. So this is how the output is showing, and I think it is able to detect quite pretty well. But I must tell you this, that it will not detect from the books or the packets. You can try to improve that, although it was not working for me, and if it is working for you, it's good. And also you can use this for your personal purpose, for your office, or for training purpose, anything that you want. And so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining. We'll meet in the next video. Make sure you follow me, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.